On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make plantain fufu. So if you are interested, keep watching because you are going to learn another new thing. So I am starting off by slicing the unripe plantain. So I am not going to be taking off the skin of the plantain. Plantain peel has a lot of health benefits. So check your Google for more information. I'm just going to slice it into smaller sizes like this and then transfer it into the blender. Next, I'm going to be adding water on it. So when you're adding water, try to add bit by bit, okay, so that you'll not add too much water. Then I'm going to blend it very smooth. So while I was blending it, I decided to add more water on it because it wasn't blending that fast and I don't want to spoil my blender. So I added more water on it. It is best you add water bit by bit and then blend it very smooth, like very smooth. So once I'm done blending this, next I am going to be transferring it into the pot. We move. So I transfer it all into the pot and then I will stir it until it forms into fufu. So this part, keep stirring it until you get the texture you want to see, because we don't want it to get burnt on the bottom. That is why you must continue to stir it until it forms. So if you notice it's becoming more thicker, so I'll continue to stir it until I get the texture I want. Now, if you're still watching this video up to this moment, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do help me to share it so that it gets to more people. So I will continue to stir it. At this point, don't stop stirring it or else it's going to get burnt at the bottom of it. We don't want it to get burnt. So guys, take a look at this. This is really nice. Plantain fufu is one of the best fufu I so much enjoy. So I'll stir it until I get the texture I want from it. By this point, the plantain fufu is ready. I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir. Next, I'm going to be placing it in the plastic foil and then I'll just wrap it around. If you don't want to put it in the plastic foil, feel free to just put it on your plate. But me, I like to wrap my own note. So now tell me, are you going to be trying this as well? Let me know in the comment section. Next, I will just wrap it around like this and then I will allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes. My plantain fufu is ready. So after 10 minutes, guys, this is how it looks. It can't be like say they black because of the back of it I didn't peel, but anyway, it looks nice. I'll finish it up with this delicious draw soup of mine, and of course I can't end this video without testing it for you guys to see how soft this fufu is. It's good for children that are learning how to eat, guys. So you that watch this video to the end, open your mouth. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.